Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to add video in Miro Board. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open your browser and go to Miro.com. Once logged in, you'll land on your Miro dashboard where you can access all your boards. Next, open the board where you want to add the video. Once the board is open, it's time to bring in your video. For this, you'll need a video link from either YouTube or Vimeo, as Miro supports embedding from these platforms. So, head to YouTube or Vimeo, find the video you want to add and copy its URL. Now, return to your Miro board. Right-click on the area where you'd like the video to appear. You should see a paste option. Click it to insert your copied video link. Alternatively, you can use the Upload button in Miro, typically located in the toolbar or sidebar depending on your layout. After clicking Upload, select Upload via URL from the available options, then paste the YouTube or Vimeo link you copied earlier. After a few seconds, Miro will process the link and your video will appear directly on your board. You can resize it, drag it to any section, and adjust its placement for the best visual fit. And that's it. So that is how you can add video in Miro Board. So that's all for this video. Thanks.